Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will learn how to build report in Salesforce. If you want to learn more about report and dashboard, so please watch all the video of this playlist. Let's start. In App Builder, search here reports and click on link reports. After that, new report. Here we can see standard and custom reports is available and go with accounts. After that, start reports. Here we can see accounts report is displayed content field, last activity, account owner, account name, bill state, type, rating and last modify date. Here I want to remove this bill state from this account report. So here columns option is available and it contains this field here. So here I want to remove this bill state. Simply click here remove and run. Now we can see here billing state is removed from this report. In this way we can remove field from report. Now I want to add another field. So here click here add columns option and here fields is available to add. Here I am add annual revenue field. After that run. Now we can see here an annual revenue field is added. In this way we can add field in report. After that we can see here filter option is there and filter. In that filter here we can see show me option is here and it by default it's set as all accounts. So here I am click here show me all accounts and here it contains my accounts, my team accounts, all accounts and filter by scope. Here I am simply click on show me my accounts. After that apply. Now it's filter to my accounts. After that in filter another option is here created date. Here we can see in date last activity, created date, last modified date, expiration date. After that next is range all time and also we can set as custom current financial year, previous two financial year. Here we can set custom also. In custom we can set start date and end date. In this way we can customize the reports by using date. After that next is here add filter option is here. Here I am click add filter. You can add custom filter here. Suppose I am click here rating. we can see here rating is available hot, cold, warm, and sum of record is does not contain rating. So I want to remove this record from reports which is not said as rating. Here I am said rating equals to hot, cold, and warm. After that, run. Now we can see here which account contain rating is blank. That account is removed from reports. In this way, we can customize the report by using filter. After that, here we can see two option is here: add filter logic and add cross filter. First is add filter logic. If you want to add more filter, then choose this option, edit filter logic. Here I am set only one filter, that's why I am not use here. You can use if you want to add more filter for this report. After that, next is add cross filter. Here show me account secondary with without. Here we can set the object. I am here select object contacts accounts with contacts, or we can see here with without. I am select here with accounts contact accounts with contacts record. After that apply. Now we can see these 7 contacts are accounts with contact record. In this way we can customize the report. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.